this video, we're going to be talking about Dura Composites, an Essex-based company who make products such as composite flooring, cladding, and much, much more. And we're specifically going to be looking at a post on Facebook where they shared a case study blog post featuring the story of their supplying tiles, flooring tiles, for the Chelsea Flower Show. And this is a great post for a number of reasons, actually. So firstly, they are effectively sharing a story via their blog post. They want us all to come with them on their journey and how they put their part in it together. Being at the show, of course, it is great exposure to a wider audience, and we've also got an endorsement from Chelsea Flower Show. Obviously, Chelsea Flower Show is a hugely popular, long-standing institution. So this feature and their endorsement has real gravitas. This is a really positive post from Dura Composites, and they want to share it with their followers. So why is it important to share stuff like this online? Well, firstly, you're actually giving away something for free with these blog posts, this type of content. In this case, it's knowledge, expertise, and understanding. They're helping their customers or potential customers with a problem. Again, in this instance, it's finding the right appropriate flooring for a really busy event, but this will be applicable to other customers too. Secondly, you are establishing yourself as an expert in your field, which boosts the overall impression of your company online and on social. These things are really important because it offers up more reasons for your customers to invest their money in a purchase with you. Much though you can say validation isn't important, it really is, especially when you're making a big decision, and you can argue that the purchase of something like flooring with this company will come under the category of big decision, simply because of the products they sell and the quality of the products that they sell. This line of expertise is consistent in Dura Composites social content and on their website as well. There's a clear line of openness and expertise throughout the way they present themselves online. So they're providing their customers with a lot of information with regards to what to buy, and they're also recognizing that their expertise is quite niche. Again, thinking back at the flooring example, it's not a subject in which many of us are well versed, and it's generally quite a costly purchase for either your home or your business. And they recognize that, and they're saying effectively, like, we are the experts here, you are safe with us, we will look after you. And then when you go back to the blog and the supporting social posts, it's a case of like, here, take a look at this. This is evidence of how brilliant our product is, and we can do the same for you. So you might be thinking, well, I don't know if this type of approach will resonate well with my audience. I don't yet understand the topics that they're interested in and will engage with, which is fine. We can help with that. And you can learn what conversations are taking part in your spaces online, in the places both you and your competitors reside. So let's head over to Maybe. So for this particular exercise, you're going to need your groups that you've already set up or we've set up for you. If you haven't yet set up any groups to listen to, either hit pause and mosey on over to our tutorials on how to do this, or just stick with me for now and learn how to set up your groups once you finish the vid. Okay, so for this, you will need, from your dashboard, you'll need to go to listening, hover there and click on group insights. You see how it's gone blue? And we are going to learn what people are saying online. So on the left hand side, you can set your date ranges, and then scrolling down, there's a whole host of data here. Again, we'll go through it in the separate tutorials. What we're going to look at is what is being said. So these are the hashtags that organizations in your groups, your listening groups, conversation groups, they are the ones that are being most commonly used on social in the time frame according to the date ranges that we've set. So does your expertise fit in line with any of these topics that are commonly used on social media. I imagine you will find some common themes quite easily. And from there, you'll know which hashtag conversations to add to your account for you to engage with on a regular basis. And then hopefully you can frame your content around these popular topics of interest as well. So I do hope this was useful. Please do use the blue button at the bottom of your screen, and maybe if you have any questions, as that connects you to us 24/7, and we love to help.